Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron naman tayong bagong video na itatakel at i-react ngayon. Alam nyo ba guys, according nga kay Update PH, ang ating BRP Salvador Absede rejoins the fleet, transformed from BFAR Maritime Missions. Wow. At least, meron naman tayong kahit na lumang barko, nagagamit natin ulit. Kasi nakalagay dito, rejoins the fleet. Pero ang role niya ngayon is BFAR Maritime Missions naman siya. Which is okay na okay din naman talaga. Kasi isang BFAR sa ating tumutulong sa ating mga fishermen. Di ba? Kaya kailangan din talaga nila ng dagdag na kagamitan para ma-secure din ang ating mga fishermen. Di ba? Kasi sila nagsusupply ng mga gasolina o diesel man o anumang mga necessities na kinakailangan ng ating mga isda. Sila ang tumutulong. Kaya kailangan talaga na supportahan din talaga natin ang ating BFAR. Kaya okay na okay din kahit na siguro luma na itong Salvador Absede na to, at least magagamit naman ito para tulungan ang ating mga fishermen. Diba? Yun ang maganda doon. Kaya tara, panoorin na natin.
The Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, BFAR, has made a bold move in strengthening the country's maritime security with the return of the BRP Salvador Absede, PC-114, to active service. This former has made a bold move in strengthening the country's maritime security with the return of the BRP Salvador Absede, PC-114, to active service. This former Philippine Navy Batilo-class patrol gunboat has undergone an extensive modernization program, transforming it into a state-of-the-art vessel tailored to BFAR's evolving mission of fisheries protection and maritime law enforcement. With a significant investment under the Horizon 3 program amounting to 1.894 trillion Philippine pesos, the Philippine government has reaffirmed its commitment to safeguarding national waters and supporting Filipino fishermen. The BRP Salvador Absede is now equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance its capabilities for patrols, monitoring, and rapid response operations. The refurbished vessel boasts enhanced navigation and surveillance systems, enabling precise...
Diba? Kahit na-refurbish vessel lang ito at least diba? Napapakinabangan talaga din natin at nagagamit pa natin. Kaya ka-resourceful ang ating Navy, diba? Yan ang maganda doon. Ganyan tayo ka-resourceful. Diba? Kahit na kulang tayo sa mga bagong kagamitan, nagagamit pa rin natin kahit na mga luma. At ina-upgrade na lang natin ito. Yun naman din ang importante. Basta i-upgrade. Diba? At gumagana pa at makakatulong pa sa atin. Yun nga, lalo sa ating fishermen din dahil nga sa BFAR siya ilalagay. Goods na goods tayo dyan. Sa ngayon, syempre, dapat nakontento muna tayo sa ganyan muna. Dahil nga, wala pa tayong makabagong kagamitan pa na pwedeng itagtag pa. Kaya ayun, okay na okay din talaga na i-upgrade at ayusin. Basta i-maintain lang ng maayos ang barko na yan. At patuloy pa tayong pagsiservisyoan ng barkong yan. Diba?
Monitoring of activities in the country's exclusive economic zone, including the West Philippine Sea. Its reconditioned MTU 16 volts diesel engines ensure improved fuel efficiency and extended range, making it capable of prolonged missions in even the most challenging maritime environments. The modernization program has also upgraded the vessel's defensive and operational features. New remote-controlled weapon stations, RCWS, and non-lethal deterrent systems have been installed, providing flexibility in addressing various maritime threats while
Nice.
ensuring adherence to BFAR's mission of resource protection.
Nice.
Specialized facilities for deploying maritime drones further enhance the vessel's ability to monitor fisheries resources and conduct search and rescue operations. The revitalization of the BRP Salvador Obsede signifies BFAR's strategic approach to addressing maritime challenges. By repurposing retired naval assets, the agency demonstrates resource efficiency while significantly enhancing its fleet capabilities. This move also reflects a broader strategy to secure the nation's maritime interests amidst growing tensions in the West Philippine Sea. The success of this project could pave the way for similar initiatives, with speculation about the potential refurbishment of other decommissioned naval vessels to augment BFAR's fleet. Such efforts would further strengthen the country's maritime posture, ensuring better protection of resources and the livelihoods of Filipino fishermen. As the BRP Salvador Obsede returns to active service, it represents more than just a refurbished gunboat. It embodies the resilience and ingenuity of the Filipino people, the government's commitment to national security, and a vision for a sustainable and secure maritime future. This initiative not only strengthens the nation's maritime capabilities but also sets a precedent for innovation and collaboration in addressing the region's complex maritime challenges. The BFAR's endeavor to revitalize the retired patrol gunboat marks a crucial step toward fortifying the nation's maritime capability.
Diba? Kahit na retired gunboat na, pinagana pa rin natin kasi wala eh. Hindi na uso sa atin yung i-retire kasi wala pa tayong ipapalit eh. Hindi natin kayang i-decommission o retire talaga eh. Kasi nga, kulang na kulang pa tayo sa asset eh, na sa ating Philippine Navy. Kaya sa ating BFART eh, at least tinutulungan din ng Philippine Navy ang ating BFART. Kasi tulong-tulong naman talaga yan. Kasi parehas na naman silang nasa dagat eh. Diba? Wala, ganun talaga ang buhay natin sa ngayon muna. Tis-tis muna tayo. Kung meron pa tayong ibang na anong barko na, yun, mga na-retire natin mga barko, kung kaya na pa natin paganahin, kaya pa natin i-upgrade, yun muna ang kailangan gawin muna natin talaga sa ngayon. Wala, kasi talaga mahirap mag-retire ng mga natin na gamitan. Kung ano talaga, kung meron na tayong kapalit. Pero nga, mare-retire na talaga natin yung talagang malabo ng gamitin. Pero kung magagamit pa naman sa mga simple missions man lang, maski dito lang sa atin, yun nga, pagkanahin muna natin. At kailangan talaga natin i-maintain paano maayos yan. Para yun nga, mahabang taon pa ang pwedeng ipaglikuran sa atin ng barko niya. Hanggang makaano na tayo, makaahon na tayo, hanggang makakuha na tayo ng mga bago, diba? Kaya, tis-tis lang talaga muna.
Toward fortifying the nation's maritime capabilities. The potential return of the BRP Salvador Obsede to active service showcases a dynamic approach to maritime security, blending adaptation to evolving challenges with a commitment to sustainable resource management. As the project progresses, it will undoubtedly be closely monitored not only for its immediate impact but also for the potential long-term implications on the Philippines' maritime posture. Is focusing on upgrading the vessel's equipment and technology to better serve the needs of Filipino fishermen and protect fisheries resources in the West Philippine Sea. The BRP Salvador Obed, with its powerful MTU-16V Maryland 538,290 diesel engines and advanced navigation systems, is designed to operate efficiently in maritime environments. Its speed and range make it well suited for patrolling and law enforcement activities, ensuring the safety of fishermen and enforcing fisheries regulations. As the project gains momentum, anticipation builds within the maritime community, with stakeholders eagerly awaiting the unveiling of the refurbished BRP Salvador Obsede. Indeed, this endeavor has the potential to serve as a catalyst for future collaborations and partnerships, paving the way for a new era of maritime cooperation and collective security in the Asia-Pacific region. In essence, BFAR's endeavor to revive the BRP Salvador Obsid transcends mere refurbishment. It symbolizes a bold reimagining of maritime security paradigms, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Filipino spirit, and a reaffirmation of our unwavering commitment to safeguarding our nation's maritime heritage for generations to come. As the BRP Salvador Obsid prepares to set sail once more, it carries with it the hopes and aspirations of a nation united in its determination to chart a course towards a safer, more secure maritime future.
So yun nga, at least naman, kahit na retired na, napagana pa natin, na-upgrade pa natin, at least makakatulong talaga yan sa ating security, sa ating bansa, di ba? Kaya magandang ano rin yan, magandang balita talaga yan. Din yan. At least talagang makagamit pa natin, makakatulong pa talaga sa atin yan. Di ba mga idolo? So yun, so maraming salamat sa video ni Update PH mga idolo. Huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe po sa kanyang channel mga idolo. Nalagay ko po sa description down below ang kanyang full video pati po ang kanyang YouTube channel mga idolo. So dito na po tayo nagtatapos mga idolo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at i-like po ang video na to. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na Alam Niyo Ba? So maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.